Peter Nwachukwu, the husband of the late Nigerian gospel singer Osinachi Nwachukwu, has become a trending topic again after someone shared what he said in prison. Peter was recently sentenced to death by hanging for the role he played in his wife's death. Osinachi was known for powerful gospel songs, and a tragic passing has caused a lot of sadness across Nigeria. A man known as Chude, who is popular on social media platform X, formerly known as Twitter, said he met Peter Nwachukwu at Kuje prison. According to Chude, Peter looked very sad and full of regret during their short conversation. "I met this man in Kuje prison, had a brief chat with him. He was full of regret and remorse. So unfortunate it ended this way for him," Chude shared online. Peter Nwachukwu had been charged with 23 crimes including murder under Nigerian laws such as the Penal Code and the Violence Against Person Prohibition Act. Many people on social media reacted strongly to Chude's post. Some believe Peter was only sorry because he got caught, not because he truly regretted what he did. Others said he has many chances to change his behavior while Osinachi was alive but didn't. Osinachi's death left behind her children, fans, and fellow singers heartbroken. Recently, a video of her young daughter singing like her mother went viral and touched many hearts online, reminding fans that she lives on. We will continue to supply you more news updates and exclusive videos. Please drop a comment below and keep watching NaijaNews TV.